Say hi.
Woo!
Hey, good morning.
Saturday.
We're in Whistler. It is Saturday morning about 8 and it's cold and we're going up to where?
Super cold.
Russett Lake.
We're going up to Russett Lake. It's about 24K round trip, 2,000 meters elevation gain, and we're going to go up the Singing Pass right up here. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, we already.
Yeah, let's go. Right on. So we're going up the trail. We're not taking the gondola. It's about 2,000 meter elevation gain. We're not tired now, but we're just beginning. As you can see, Whistler in the morning is pretty empty, pretty dead. But I'm assuming probably about in a few hours later it's going to be busy. The weather is cloudy, it's not raining. It's supposed to rain, but I don't think it's going to rain. If it does, it's just going to drizzle. Hopefully we won't run into bears. And if we do, we got all our protective gear. Bear spray, 5 people. Singing Trail Pass. Doesn't sing, but you can feel the music in your ears. So we're hiking backwards. Eve is hiking backwards, Marmar is hiking backwards. Now Jolene's turn, Rami. Yeah, there we go, we're all hiking backwards right now to strengthen their lower back legs. Oh, feels so good. We just saw a wild animal. I think we saw Bambi, the friendly deer.
Yeah, that's a deer.
You know Bambi? From Walt Disney
That was so clear.
cartoon? Walt Disney cartoon, Bambi, the deer.
Oh.
So we're about 2.5 kilometers into the trail.
Oh, it's running right there. Look.
We got some deers right there. Let's go catch it.
Aw.
It's incredible, isn't it? Sun is behind the clouds. It's shining, it's light. Trail is very steady going up the elevation. And right there, and we're at a viewpoint. Nice relaxing here with all the trees and the colors. Some colors, fall colors. It's just great here to relax here. Look at this. It's just us 5, no others. And Russett Lake Trail. We're on the Singing Pass. I think we have about another 5 kilometers or so. We get up there to the musical bumps, and then we should have really great views there. So we're past the 3-kilometer mark right now. We're still on the Singing Pass trail. So far, the weather is nice. It's cloudy still. Sun, we can see it behind the clouds. Lights, and it's just a beautiful trail that we're hiking up here.
Whoa.
Look at how incredible it is. You can never predict the weather. Even the weather forecaster says it's going to rain, but it's not. It's just a beautiful day out, so once we get up to Russett, we're going to enjoy ourselves. I believe we're the only ones here. And one thing about hiking in the backcountry is that you can't always expect nice weather. Being with nature, no matter what kind of weather we experience, cold or hot, sunny, rainy, snowy, or clear days. This is all about the backcountry. Jolene, you're smiling. What are you smiling about?
The real trail is starting now.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yes.
Oh my God.
10K. So we just came up
That was
Well-
just the warm up.
about 4
Yeah.
kilometers Singing Trail. Just a warm up. Now we're at the real trail. Singing Pass is about 7 kilometers up. Russett Lake is about 10 kilometers. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun. City incline, nothing hard.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Let's see.
Let's go.
Let's go.
10K.
Yeah, 10K.
We're coming.
It's not hard. We've done worse. Here we go. Singing Pass, singing 7 kilometers. Russett Lake 10 kilometers, and Flute Summit. We gotta go through musical bumps. Let's go. trail might be easy, but a lot of nice scenery around here. Look at that mystical mountain right there, surrounded by clouds. Wow, beautiful. So we're hiking in the snow right now, so we have a 4K to go from now to all the way to the lake. We'll be hiking in snow on the trail. We're about 2 kilometers to the lake right now, and here's the meadows covered in snow. Just beautiful. Woo! By the way, that's Rami screaming or shouting, making echo noise. We got some fall colors right here. There we go. You guys do come out here in this kind of season. Make sure you bring proper gear, micro spikes, some warm layers. You're gonna need that. Meadows valley covered in snow. Oh, here's a pond. We can go fishing here, but I don't think there's any fish. See the mountain there? Wow, gorgeous. Surrounded by clouds. Just incredible. Mystical. Heavenly. Wow. So we're almost at the lake here. I believe right there, that's Fissile Peak. About 300 meters to go, and we're at the lake. Maybe we go for a dip, quick swim. I think it might be too cold, but let's try it.